Hi, today we are going to review some of the recent market calls made here at stockmarketlive.tv. We continue publishing 100% accurate stock forecast, and the timing it is perfect. And we are going to see how, for example, this individual within a matter of 1 week paid for the group plan without the need to attend any live streaming session. I repeat, without the need to attend any live streaming session. We are going to review some of the calls made here, and for that I'm going to refer to the blog where you have several calls in the market. For example, GoPro today, live trade alert at $57.10. Selling or getting rid of shares of GoPro for the first time. This company was upgraded at $38, and it was a live call made on the blog. So everyone had the opportunity to make a considerable amount of money, all the way up to $57.10, where today we announced to close positions in GoPro. And we have been discussing this stock since IPO, and you have on the blog, on the website, case studies including live trade calls since day one in GoPro, including the trading course. I call your attention for this Transocean stock rating and oil forecast. This is one of the stock forecasts where used by investors to make a considerable large amount of profits. I call your particular attention for this article on how to make millions of dollars with solar stocks outlook. This is other outlook that is available on video on demand website, and even American fund managers and Wall Street investment firms, they have been following us. This is free stock tweets and reviews. You can click here and you get an idea. I call your attention for the fact that Yoico rallied 300% since my call to strong buy, and if you wish to continue investing and profiting from Yoico, you have a new lesson on video on demand website explaining step by step what to do. And this for those that they are interested in video on demand, because if you are interested in real-time trade alerts every single day and follow-up comments, you have the collaborative live trading service, which is a different matter. Thereafter, you have here one more case study on Pandora Media, the stock forecast 2015, 100% perfect. You have here live stock tweets on this announcement that very recent this company Avango Technologies decided to acquire Broadcom, and so you have here a live tweet at $147. All this real time, you just have to follow us on Twitter. And you have here also the reason for today shares of Abercrombie, despite awful earnings report. Abercrombie shares, they rallied the most in the past 2 years and a half. So this is an achievement unique, and you have here the proof that we made the call, as well as when to take profits on the long side, utilizing obviously the short squeezes. And I call your attention for just to click on these articles, and you have the proof with regards to, for example, how to invest in Abercrombie, a stock outlook that has been available on the website. And also you have links to stock analyst ratings. In Abercrombie, 100% of them, they were short the stock, as well as in Yoico, and the shares, they zoomed. For example, you have here a link, a very important one, that explains the collapse in Twitter. In Twitter, the past couple of months, the stock shares, they crashed, and you have here article, April 20, why Goldman Sachs expects strong Twitter earnings. So once again, I proved, like in 2014, In 2015, the story, it is the same. The only thing that you have to do to make a considerable amount of profits continuously in the markets, it is betting against all these stock analysts. And by betting against all of them, you make money 100% of the time. And not only you make money, but you make by far more than you expected, as I proved today with the case of Abercrombie. But Abercrombie it was not the only situation today. It was also the very important rally in shares of Yelp today, 45 all the way up to almost $48. And the reason for this rally, it is directly related to Wall Street downgrade. So they are upgrading, you sell shares. They are downgrading, you buy the stock, and the next day you have a very large profit, and this situation repeats in time. If you follow us on live Twitter, we prove all these calls by inserting the link for those Wall Street upgrades and downgrades. So these are just some of the calls which are unique, and bear in mind we were once again the only one making the bet in Abercrombie on long side. We also were the only one today betting on Yelp the rally from 45 all the way up to almost $48, a very important one. If you refer to the calls available on the blog for free, there is one in Yelp to sell short at $50.30. The shares never closed above that price, so that call made available live in real time, it was 100% accurate. Many investors, including non-subscribers, they made money all the way down to $45. Last week I already announced that one should reduce the size of the position at $45, and today you had the Yelp rallying to $48, I repeat again. So what we are doing, or what we have been doing, it is what is described on the blog in many situations. Wall Street has sell ratings, we buy the stock. Wall Street has buy ratings, we sell the stock. Okay, very simple. And you can refer to all these new, there are plenty of new lessons and stock forecasts. You have here one that explains this in Vieira makes the headlines on Wall Street Journal. How to invest in the Nikkei in 2015, Shake Shack stock forecast 2015 and price targets, and all the action in Shake Shack in the past since this was in fact since IPO, it is described here. Twitter full analysis including Google buyout for those that they believe in or not in Twitter to be eventually bought. Momo stock news, one of the best performers in China, and you have here a clear stock forecast, perfect, absolutely perfect. Best Chinese tech stocks, how much higher can Yoico shares go? So here you have guidelines, we follow up the process. So basically you have here everything. You have here also calls with regards and explanations with Altera, which I already referred to in the past. Altera that was always available as video on demand and also free live calls on Twitter and on the blog. Euro US dollar forecast 2015, and you are already aware of where to double your investments in the markets, top stock picks 2015, and you can continue. And you see here that every single lesson, it was recorded live, and it contains instructions how to proceed. This for those that they have video on demand plans. So no surprise when this individual has this testimonial, I paid for the group plan within a week without the need to attend any live streaming session, because in the beginning the only thing that they have to do, in fact during the first month or couple of months, is to attend the trading course. That is the very first thing that it is included in that plan. This individual went directly to trading, and it is one testimonial a week later.